Hello children, welcome to the channel Easy Way to Physics with Jaya. I am Jaya here talking to you. Today I am presenting Grade 8 CBSE Physics Chapter 11 Force and Pressure Part 5, that is Atmospheric Pressure. Hope you have learned all the previous portions well. Those who did not learn, please go through the previous videos in which I explained it in the simplest way. Also click the subscribe button under this video so that you will not miss out any of the topics. Atmosphere. The envelope of air around our earth is known as the atmosphere. The envelope of air. What do you mean by envelope? Envelope means cover. Cover of air that protects the earth is atmosphere. Or we can say it in another way that it is a blanket of air that protects our earth. So when you talk about atmosphere, we can say it in different way. It is the envelope of air around our earth. Or we can say atmosphere is a blanket of air around our earth. Or it is a cover of air around our earth. You know what is the thickness of atmosphere? It extends up to an average height of 12 kilometers above the surface of the earth. Average height of 12 kilometers means some places it is 7 kilometers only, whereas some other places it is more than 12 kilometers. So when we talk about thickness, it takes an average height of 12 kilometers. Now, once again, definition for atmosphere is the envelope of air around our earth is known as the atmosphere. Now, what is atmospheric pressure? The pressure exerted by the atmospheric air is known as atmospheric pressure. Around us there is atmospheric air, and this atmospheric air is exerting a pressure on us, a force on us. That pressure is known as atmospheric pressure. There is an experiment to prove that atmosphere exerts pressure. For that, we have to take a can with a lid, and that can we have to fill partly with water. Now we are heating that water. What will happen when water is heated? Vapor is produced. That vapor is filled in that can. When the water starts boiling, we will close it with a lid. Now off the fire, remove the can from the fire and allow it to cool very quickly. By pouring cold water over that can, we can allow it to cool very quickly. Then we can see the can is crushed. Its shape is changing. Why it is happening so? On cooling, the water vapor in the can condenses into water drops, creating an empty space in the can. Now inside the can it is half filled with water, and above that water level there is no air and no water vapor also. Since the pressure inside is reduced, the atmospheric pressure easily compresses the can. That's why its shape is changing. The atmospheric pressure helps a rubber sucker to stick on a surface. You know how? I'll tell you. A rubber sucker looks like a small rubber cup. When we press it on a smooth surface, the air between the cup and the surface escapes out. The atmospheric pressure presses the sucker towards the smooth surface. The sucker sticks to the surface because of the pressure of the atmosphere acts on it. Now, can you imagine the weight of air? The weight of air column above our head is 1000 kilogram if the length and width of our head is 10 centimeter each. or we are under 1,000 kilogram weight of atmosphere. Still, we are not crushed under this weight. We are under 1,000 kilogram of atmosphere, but we are not crushed under this weight. Why? Because the pressure inside our body acting towards outside is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Our heart is pumping blood with a force which creates a pressure inside our body acting towards outside, which is equal to this 1,000 kilogram, equal to the atmospheric pressure. So the net force experienced by our body is 0. So we are not crushed under the atmospheric pressure. This is a demonstration to show the atmospheric pressure. Two big hollow metallic hemispheres were joined and air between them was removed using a pump. Now inside these are two hemispheres. Inside the air is completely removed and joined. 8 hoses from each side tried to pull apart the hemispheres but failed because air from all sides pressed the hemispheres so tightly. This shows the strength of atmospheric pressure. Short notes. The envelope of air around our Earth is known as the atmosphere. Atmosphere extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the Earth, an average height of 12 kilometers. The pressure exerted by the air around us is known as atmospheric pressure. A sucker sticks to the surface because when we press it on a surface, an empty space is created under its cup and the atmosphere exerts a pressure on it. The weight of a column of the height of atmosphere is 1,000 kilogram in an area of 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Still, we are not crushed under this weight because the pressure inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure and cancels the pressure from outside. So, please write these answers many times and learn it by heart it. Thank you very much for listening me.